I'm going to share with you some of the different things that I might say, right, to people about how to catch the bullet. And I put them in sort of categories, right? So you might say things differently, but those are the categories of things that I find helpful to at least think about like how can I interrupt or how can I catch the bullet, okay? So the first thing we talked about is about structural moves. If you were actually in the office, you might actually move your chair closer, right? You might do what Scott Woolley did, use his hands to divide, right? Spot the Red Sea. Or sometimes you might even sit, like get in between them sometime. Like Sue oftentimes talks about, she likes chairs with wheels, right? That she's sitting on. So me too, like I will wheel my chair in between them, almost like acting as a physical block, right? I personally would not touch the knee, like there was, you can see in this picture, right? Sue was actually working with a very escalated couple. So she would actually put her hands on their knees, right? I think she could get away with it a little bit more, and I don't do that. I put my hands on the shoe, the tip of the shoe, or I might sometimes tap on the knees, like gently tapping on the knees, just to say, hey, you know what, can I slow you down? I turn my chairs towards them a bit more. And sometimes I say, you know what, don't talk to him right now, talk to me, okay? Look at me, right? So I become more directive in order to interrupt. And the one thing that I said to Liz earlier, that if this is online therapy, I might say, you know what, if I was there right now, I'll be touching your shoe right now, just to let you know that I'm here, right? So think about structural move of things that will be appropriate for you, depending on you and your setting, right? What will be helpful structurally, okay? So that's the first thing that I would think about I might do, right? The other one, another way to catch a bullet, was probably more what we probably refer this to more of a straightforward kind of thing, just telling people, say, hey, can I stop you? I might add a little bit more humor to it just to, calm things down. I say, hey, guys, can I stop you right now? You know what? You can do this dance for free at home, right? You're paying me some good money here. Can you let me earn my keeps here? Can I hold you right there now? Like the one who's reactive. Can I just hold you right now? Can I just stop you right now? I promise to come back to you. So I notice something that's bothering you here. I promise I'll come back. And now I'll go back to the other partner that I was working with. Can I stay with you right now about this? So it's a very straightforward, not a whole lot of tricks to it, maybe a little bit of humor, right? But it's really about stopping. So you have to stop them, right? You have to interrupt them, whatever ways that you can do, okay?